That's not your shutter, that's why. View through lens, or not through lens, but
oh, I see it
view.
now. Yeah. Sometimes I prefer to do it this way, but I still like to use my lens sometimes.
The viewfinder. That's what that little window's called.
Oh,
so you
yeah.
would want to have your eye through the viewfinder instead of using the screen.
Not mini monitor. Because, you know, it's actually a pretty cool little thing. And it wasn't expensive. So that was a plus. And it's been so long since I've used the camera.
Hey everybody, it's time for another 100 Mondays, and today I'm over at my brother's house. I'm working on the mural for my future nephew. I'm gonna be an auntie. So basically I'm gonna be painting City of Rohan, if you all remember from Lord of the Rings, the two towers. So as you can see, part of the mountain here is gonna be on that side, and I'm working my way down this part of the mountain. So it's ongoing. It's going to be done in interior paint. It's going to be latex, not oil. So I guess we're going to see the progress going. See you guys next time.